Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm pretty much just gonna do a get ready with me. Not that I have anything to get ready for. I just don't want to have to explain what I'm doing, which is really stupid. Let's get into it. But I do still have to prime my face, so that is on my to-do. I'm using the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser because it works real well and it's cheap. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is putting my foundation on. Next thing I like to do is kind of just go over with powder because my eyeballs crease like a motherfucker, and my forehead does, but next I'm going to go in with my concealer, my NYX concealer in the shade White Porcelain. So I'm going to go and do my brows off camera first before I do the eyeshadow. Yeah. So this is the first shade that I will be using today. Post Malone's new album is so good. Like honeys. Oh my god. Oh! With the second shade, I am going to pretty much go just under that. With the third shade, I'm going to go right here to really deepen up this crease. With this fourth shade, I'm going to tack it on the brush. Just really get it on there. Same thing with the other eye. With the fifth shade, I'm going to go in with my little compacted blending brush and just dip into that shade real quick. Kind of just pack it on there. I am going to deepen this a little bit, at least underneath my eye. Now, I am also going to do my eyeliner off camera because I'm not skilled enough to do it on camera, and it's going to take 30 years. So, just bear with me. So now that I have done my face, my eyes, I am going to go in and spray my face. I got this L'Oreal makeup extender setting spray, because that's what it's called, but I'm just gonna spray it. I guess now it's time for me to go in and contour my face, because I still have yet to do that. So I'm gonna spray my face once more. Really set it, and then I'm gonna go quickly in with my highlighter and highlight the highest points of my face. So I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D lipstick in the shade Cathedral. I just got this. Very nice. Packaging is all crinkly. I'm going to go in and that's it. That's it for what I have today. This is the look. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, you can also follow my Instagram because I finally made one for this. It'll be below this right here. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.